Hi, good afternoon, and you're welcome to JIT Tech Series. Since last year, we've been coming your way with tutorials and courses in IT. And today we are going to learn something about e-commerce. For those of you that want to learn how to set up an online store to sell your products and services, this is a great opportunity for you. Without wasting much time, shall we please close our eyes and say a word of prayer, and we will kickstart. Our Heavenly Father, we thank you for bringing us here this time. We ask that whatever we are going to learn here, give us divine understanding. And at the end of it all, Father, we shall have every reason to give you glory. In Jesus' name we pray with thanksgiving. Amen. All right. So JIT, as you already know, is the Jackson Institute of Technology. A part of the Jackson Educational Complex, and we offer a lot of IT related courses. So we have software engineering, we have cybersecurity, we have digital marketing, we have Microsoft Office Suite, and a lot more. In order to view all of our courses, the content, the duration, and the fee, you can visit our website, which is www.jit.edu.gh, or you can contact us on 0596 996040 or 0596 996038. Today, like I said, we are going to learn something about e-commerce. How do you start an online store? How do you sell your products and services? If you are into business, if you offer any kind of product or services, this is a great opportunity for you. And so I hope you have your books, your pens, your PCs, your phones, your tablets ready. We are going to learn a lot. So relax and then join us. Thank you.
Hello there. We at Jackson Educational Complex want to give you the opportunity to experience world-class education with us. Are you looking to rub shoulders with the best in the business industry? Then, the British accredited IIE Bachelor of Business Administration and IIE Bachelor of Business Administration with marketing option offered at Jackson Institute of Innovation and Leadership is the springboard to get you there. In a fast-paced world ruled by ICT, Jackson Institute of Technology, in partnership with NIIT India, is offering you the chance to be up to speed with the ever-changing world. With our beginners, intermediate, and advanced classes in web development, cybersecurity, and the like, we are sure to acquire world-class skills for the 21st century job. Jackson College of Education, with learning centers in 13 out of the 16 regions of Ghana, gives you the chance to work and get excellent teaching skills at the same time with our distance learning module. We run degree and diploma programs, as well as top up for those already having their diplomas. You are entreated to enroll now, as admissions into any of our programs is currently open. You can call us on 0557 123 409 or 0201 260 290 for further inquiries, or you can visit any of our websites www.jit.edu.gh or www.jil.edu.gh and www.jackson.edu.gh to learn more. Jackson, hope for a brighter future.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to today's edition of the Jackson Institute of Technology Tech Series webinar. In today's webinar, we'll be looking at how to start an online store. So this is one of the series we are doing to help small businesses who want to go online in our digital age to sell their products, but they are unable to set up a full-blown e-commerce platform. In today's webinar, we are coming to you from the Jackson Institute of Innovation and Leadership campus, having a beautiful ambience, giving us a very serene, conducive atmosphere to have this webinar done. We hope you would enjoy today's series. Do stay with us as we are going to show you a lot of things to help you get started with your online business. Okay, welcome back everyone. I hope you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, I do have a screen of Flutterwave. So what is Flutterwave? Flutterwave is a platform that enables you to transact digital businesses. So you can receive payments, send payments, make payments. So think about Flutterwave as Stripe for Africa or PayPal for Africa. You know, with most international payment gateways, we do have limitations as to what we can do and what we can't do regarding some of these platforms. And Flutterwave was built to solve this problem. And in addition to that, Flutterwave offers innovative ways to help you set up online stores, create digital products, sell them, and also get cash right into your account. Once you set up your account, you can get money into your account, or that's your bank account, or if you're in Ghana or anywhere around most of the supported African countries, you can have money paid into your Momo wallet. Okay, so it makes it very convenient to be able to send and receive payments. And on top of that, Flutterwave offers a very innovative product which is called an online store. So you could actually set up an online store all by yourself without having to know how to program or how to code or anything of that. Okay, so think about that as Shopify for Africa. So if you've used Shopify before, Flutterwave provides you the same platform. Okay, so you could do all of those stuff right here in Ghana, and it's such an amazing brilliant opportunity. And I would want to introduce you to that, and I believe that that would help boost your online traction, boost your business, and then help you generate more revenue. Okay, so without much ado, we'll be starting. And before we start, I just want to say that this video is for educational purposes. We do not take any responsibility for any loss in financial transactions or whatever that might come as a result of poor negligence or not following due process. And so please stick and stay as you go through all of this. Okay, thank you. So here I'm on the Flutterwave website. You can get this by just going to flutterwave.com. Okay, so once you go to flutterwave.com, I'm just zooming in. You can see that. If you can see that, so flutterwave.com, you should be able to see this. So flutterwave.com/gh is going to give you Flutterwave for Ghana. Okay, so as I said, you have opportunity to transact business all over the world. Okay, and this is flutterwave.com for Ghana, and we do have Flutterwave for Nigeria, for South Africa, for Kenya, for Uganda, and so many other African countries. Okay, it's Flutterwave for Africa. Yeah, so here the hero page says endless opportunities or endless possibilities for every business. Sell online, process payments, build financial products, or use business tools designed to grow your business. Okay, and then let's go down, and then you can see over here that these are some of the companies that are using Flutterwave currently. Uber is using Flutterwave, amazing. MTN, Cheaper, Piggyvest, Microsoft, Wise. Okay, and these are all companies that are using Flutterwave. It tells you that some of the biggest giants in the tech industry uses Flutterwave to process payments, and that's telling you that this business or this platform has a very strong international coverage, has a very strong business backing. Okay, and you do have a fully unified set of payment tools. As I said, is more like Shopify for Africa. Okay, you can accept payments, you can transfer payments, you can do a checkout, and all in a go. Okay, you can also build a successful online business on Flutterwave. And also you can create physical and virtual cards. So maybe you want to create a card, you're in Ghana, you want to receive payments from the US, you want to be able to create a virtual card to enable you receive payments. Okay, you can do that with Flutterwave virtual cards. And then if you're a developer, Flutterwave has well-documented API that can enable you integrate the Flutterwave service into your websites or your online store or mobile application. And Flutterwave is also all over the world. As I said, currently Flutterwave supports 30 plus currencies. Currently Flutterwave supports 30 plus currencies, okay, and also accepts payments in more than 30 countries, okay. And then Flutterwave is currently taking about 20 million API calls, okay, picking about 231 requests, that's API requests per second, and that is huge. That is huge. If you're a developer, you'd really understand what I mean. That is huge. And we Flutterwave has up to 15 payment options, so debit and credit cards, mobile money options. M-Pesa is more like mobile money for Kenya, Uganda, that's East Africa. Bank transfer, bank accounts, POS, Visa QR, USSD, and the list is just endless. And as I said, this is Flutterwave Ghana, but Flutterwave is also available in all of these countries. So that's more like about 16 countries or 12 countries, yeah, pretty much 15 countries around the world, and they support payments across these countries and more. Okay, so I'm just going to get you through the account creation process for Flutterwave. It's a very simple process. You don't have to spend much of time doing that. Okay, so you just click on the register or create free account. Once you click on create free account, it brings you to this page where you see app.flutterwave.register or /register, app.flutterwave.com/register. So that is the register page. And also at the register page, you can create your account, so you can fill in your details. I'm not going to do that now. I've already created one. And once you are done, you just click on get started. That will bring you to the next page that will tell you to check your mailbox. Okay, so it tells you that we've sent you an email, okay, with a link to confirm your account. If you didn't get the email, it can be as a result of any of these 4 options. So you can just retry to enter your email again, or try to enter your email again. So that should give you that opportunity to be able to register. And once you are done, you can go through the process of verifying your business. Okay, so you can enter a trading name or a registered business name. So if you want to set this up, you're already having a business or you want to start a business, you need a trading name. And then once you are done, you set up your phone number, business store, business description, so what your business is about, and the business category. So if you are into electronics stores, if you are into education, if you are into commercial footwear, clothing, insurance, and so many. And then if you don't find what your business is or your business category on this drop down, you can just choose other. Okay, there's an other option, so you just choose other, and then you'll be able to proceed to the next stage. And then you can select your estimated monthly sale. Okay, you can see that currently I'm on the test mode. Okay, so it tells me that I am currently on test mode. Okay, so I did that just for security reasons. Okay, and once you want to get started fully, you can take off the test mode. Okay, so now after you are done setting up your business information and everything, you just move on to the next stage, save and continue, and that will provide you with some more details, just a few more details to complete. And once you are done with that, you should be able to have your online dashboard, and that's where we are now. So that's the Flutterwave dashboard. So this is what allows you to be able to manage a full-fledged e-commerce store online without having to set up an e-commerce website on your own. Okay, so currently we are on the dashboard product categories. Okay, I'll come back to the home page. The home page will show you an overview about how your business is currently doing. So here you can see total settlements. If you do have payments that have been made to you, you can just see all settlements. Okay, if you don't have, you would see that's error. You don't have settlements. Okay, transactions shows you all of your transactions. So if you have refunds, if you have chargebacks, okay, you will see that's all in the transaction page. Okay, and then you'll be able to enjoy all of those services. Okay, and also you have the opportunity to be able to do to be able to set up a store, to be able to see your products, create new products, and then also manage products, create links. Just think about it. Flutterwave offers those opportunities, and from here you can see that you can either collect payments, send money, or check out your demo. Okay, or you could also set up a store or payment links. Okay, so without much ado, we are going to get into setting up an online store pretty soon. But before we do that, we'll take a quick break, and then after this break, we'll get into setting up an online store. Thank you. Hi, welcome back from that break. As I said the other time, we are going to have the online store. But before that, let me quickly walk you through the dashboard. Okay, so as we said, we have the home tab, the transactions, where you have all of your transactions. Okay, customers. So if you do have customers who have bought from your online store, you would have the customers details appearing over here. Okay, and then you could also blacklist customers. So maybe customers that engaged in a fraudulent deal in the past, you can blacklist them. So that opportunity is available, that functionality is available. And then you also have balances. Okay, and then you have the store. So these where we'll be working from. Okay, and then we have payments, so you can see all of your payments. So transfers you've made, invoices you've created, payment links. So from here you can actually create, so for instance, maybe you don't want to create a full-blown store, you just want to sell a single product. Maybe you have an iMac, a computer, a PC, whatever, a water bottle you want to sell. So you can just from here create a payment link. Okay, and then you can specify what the payment link should be for, whether it's a single charge payment or it's a subscription link. So for instance, if maybe you have a course you are running, and then an online course, and then you want to get people to be able to register for the course as a subscription or a service you are running, you could actually use the subscription link. Okay, so once you are done, you just click on create payment link, and that gives you the opportunity to add details. And then when you are done, you'll be able to create the link and then add some images, and you are ready to sell on Flutterwave. It's that simple, really simple. Okay, and that's one of the power of Flutterwave, simplicity. Okay, and then we also have sub accounts. So if there are people you want to more like sublet your business to, or you want them to be able to have certain portions of your business, make them have discounted price or pass on some benefits you are earning, you can actually do that using the sub accounts. Okay, and then we also have the settings. So your profile, you can customize your profile. Okay, your customers. Okay, we already saw that. Okay, settings, we have the business preference, settlements, accounts, permissions, so the sort of permissions you have. Okay, and then also web hosts, API keys, and these are for developers. Okay, so now we want to go to the store. As I said, this is where we'll be working from. Okay, here we do have orders. So here, if somebody has come to your store to order a product, or you have created an order, and then you want customers to be able to take up that order, I mean, you can just come over here, and with a few clicks you can get your orders done. Okay, here you can create a new product for your store. Okay, it's a simple tool that helps you to be able to sell your products online, okay, and receive payment directly into your account. So you can do that here. And then also we have discount codes. So maybe you want to offer discounts to certain customers based on what they have bought from you. So in that case, what you do is that you create a discount code, and then you provide a discount code to the customer, and the customer can use that discount code to buy from you. And it's very simple. Okay, and then we do have product categories. So maybe you are doing an electronics store, and then you have maybe phones, laptops, TVs, you have fridges, and so on and so forth. You can group your products into categories. Okay, so I have a category of phones, so maybe I have Samsung phones, iPhones, Infinix phones, and so on and so forth. So that's the idea for product categories. And then we also have the store. So from the store setup over here, you can just set up your store in a simple click. Here I click on setup. Okay, and here I've already created a name called Apple Online Store. So, and then currently I'm offline, so I could set this online. So once you click on edit store over here, you can change your store status from offline to online. Now once you do that, your store becomes live. Okay, and then it's on the internet, and then whoever you want to sell to, you can sell to. You can make products available to them, and you can just share this link with them. So store URL. So once you click on the copy, you can see over here it's copied, and then once you send the link to that person, the person will see your store and all of the content or the products listed on your store. Okay, and once you are done, you can set the social sharing image. So this image is what is going to appear on your social media page when you send the link to your social media page. Okay, and I'll just set a dummy image over here. You could change that to something that you want to appear on your social media. And then you see, once I click on save, it tells me that store has been edited successfully. Okay, and then here I can add store to the Flutterwave market. So think of this as maybe a Facebook market. Okay, so I have my store, but I want to add it to Flutterwave market so that I can have millions of customers see my products and then buy from me, and that would increase my sales. Okay, you can actually apply and then add this to the Flutterwave market. Okay, and then there's a little criteria you have to meet over here. Your store has to be online and active. You have to have at least made one online sale, one sale on your store. Your store belongs to a shopping category: fashion, beauty, food, gadgets, and so on. And your store does not include the name test. Okay, your store has product in stock at least 2. Okay, so now once you meet those requirements, you should be able to have your store on the Flutterwave market. So that gives you more like a broader reach. Okay, a broader reach. So think of it as having your store on Gigi, or having your store on Jumia or OLX. Okay, that sort of thing. So you have a lot of businesses over there, and then people can easily quickly recognize your store and then get your products. And then depending on the country you are, if you are in Ghana, you can register your business as as a registered business, have your business as a registered business, and then add VAT. So you have the opportunity to be able to add VAT, and then you can specify the percentage that you want to deduct from your customers as VAT. Now once you do this and you provide evidence to GRA, this can actually give you a sort of lease from the e-levy. So once you are paying VAT, your customers don't have to pay e-levy. So because as a company you are remitting your VAT, okay, to GRA. Okay, so that's also another cool thing, another cool feature about Flutterwave. Okay, and then also you can set a wait period for items in your cart. So the default wait period is 30 minutes. So if a customer adds an item to the cart, Flutterwave would alert the customer that the customer has 30 minutes to complete the transaction and then check out. Okay, so now if you give a shorter checkout time or a shorter period in the cart, this more like puts a bit of pressure on the customer to more like go through the checkout process and not just add the item to cart. Because if the customer adds the item to cart after the specified duration, for here the default is 30 minutes, the item will be taken off from the cart. Okay, so that's more like helping you convert your potential customers to actual customers. And another sweet thing about Flutterwave is that you can generate a QR code. How nice that is. Okay, so you can just generate a QR code and you can have that on your social media handles. So you can see that I have a QR code over here, and I can just let customers scan this. Now once they scan it, automatically they see my store. Okay, I can have it on my Facebook page, Instagram handle, Twitter handle, and then you can download the PNG version over here, or you can copy the QR code and then paste. Or from here you could also directly share with your customers, so through WhatsApp, through Facebook, or through Twitter. Okay, so that's another cool feature that comes with the Flutterwave store. And we've set up the store already here. I want to add some products so that you can see the products live. Okay, so here maybe my product's name is an iPhone. I can add a bit of a description, so maybe a great iPhone model, with budget-friendly price. Okay, so now here I can add my current price. Okay, here to display so here I can add the original price. Okay, so maybe I'm selling the iPhone for maybe 2,000 cedis. Okay, so 2,000 cedis. Okay, and then the compare price is more like the price they would have paid. Okay, so to display a discounted price. So sometimes you go to some of the online shops and then you see that some prices have been crossed out. Okay, so this is what this does for you. So it crosses out this price, that's a compare price, and then shows the original price. So maybe my compare price is 2,400, and then I've given a 400 discount, and then the weight of the item, so depending on what the item is, you can add a weight. So here I want to add a weight of 600 grams. Okay, so I just do 600 or 0.60, so that's 0.6 kilograms. That's actually 600 grams. And then you can specify the number of items you have in stock. So maybe you have about 30 items or 20 items, okay, to show customers that, okay, I have a lot of items in stock and I can actually sell more to you. Okay, and then when you are done, you can specify a category. So depending on what you are selling, so here it is phones. Here I can just add phones category. Okay, and a description. The description is optional, it's up to you. If you don't want to add a description, that's fine. So you can save the category. Okay, and that saves it up. And once I create a new category, now when I click on this, okay, I can just select the phones category. Okay, and then product options. So maybe the iPhone has different types of colors, different type of size, or maybe the internal storage, okay, or the phone's capacity. You can add product options over here, and this is really cool. So here you can add color, and then maybe the color is silver. And then you can also add the size, so silver. Okay, and then you can also add the size. Once you are done, you can just click on save and preview. So I click on save and preview, and then I can see the preview over here. But I could also add an image. Okay, so images speaks more than 1,000 words. So you can add an image to show your clients that, okay, you actually have this product in store. So I add an image, it uploads, okay, and then you could add multiple images, so at least up to 5 images, so you can show different size, so maybe the front, the back, the side, so that to be able to sort of convince your customer or your potential customer to come and buy from you. Okay, so you could do that. For now I'm not doing it, I'm just clicking on save and preview. Okay, and then it tells me that I've updated successfully, and that is it. Look at it, amazing. You have an online store set up for you in just less than 10 minutes. And you can see all of the things I was talking about. Okay, so if I had added more pictures over here, you would have seen different variations or different types of the same image. Okay, and you could go back to your product, and then you can even edit all of the things that existed. So if I want to add more images, I can come back here and then just add another image. Okay, so I open up this image, click on it, it uploads, and then when I'm done, I just click on save, and boom, and that is it. Okay, now when I come back to the store, I can just refresh, and once I refresh, you can see that the new image I added has also been updated, and when I click on it, I can also see it on the preview. Now you've just built an online store without any knowledge of programming. Isn't that awesome? And if you add more options over here, you could actually give your customers the flexibility to choose from different options, and then if they want to buy more, they can increase the quantities they want, the number of quantities they want to buy. Okay, or you can make your customers follow you on your social media handles. With this, you can update that from your account, your store setup, and then you'll be able to see all of that. And once the customer clicks add to cart, you can see added to cart, that's wow. And then once I click on my cart, you see the cart information, and here you can click, you can see that the number of products I have here, the iPhone is 2000, the number of products I selected 4 and it's silver. Okay, and then you can see that the 2000 is being multiplied by 4 to give you the total items of 8000. And once I click on continue, it's going to ask me to enter my details, so the customer can enter their details and then place their order. Okay, so now once I enter my details and then place order, and you can see the discount code I talked about. So you can create discount codes, give it to your customers. Once they enter the discount and click on apply, it's going to give them that discount. Okay, and then here I can just click on place order. Okay, and then it places the order, and once I place the order, I can just go ahead, okay, and then make payment. And one very cool thing about Flutterwave is that they handle your payments for you and send the money directly to your account. So either your Momo account or your bank account, whatever it is, here you just enter your phone number, okay, and then you click on pay. Now if you have that, so you select the network, so we are in Ghana, so you can see that everything is set up here. MTN, Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone, and so on. Okay, and you can pay with Momo. Okay, and as I said, if you are a registered business and then you update your VAT and then you take VAT from your customers don't have to pay the e-levy when they are purchasing from you. Okay, it actually comes at no extra cost. So here I can just click on pay this amount of money, and then it's going to send a prompt to your customers to accept this payment. So if I'm making this payment, I could actually accept to make this payment. Okay, but as I said, I was on test mode, I was not on the live mode, so this is not going to go through. Okay, but if this goes through, I'll see the order and I'll be able to use my dashboard. I come to main menu, I go to store, I go to orders, okay, and then I'll see that the order is already here. That's amazing. Okay, the order is here. So this is one of the customers that have ordered. Okay, But here you can see that the order has not been completed. So this is a pending order. Okay, and you could actually download all of your orders as an Excel sheet. Okay, and then it's going to download the Excel file for you, and you can use that for your analysis, whatever type of analysis you want to do. Profitability, you can see that what you want to do with the download. So it's been downloaded as a CSV file. Okay, and this is amazing. This is amazing. With a few clicks, you've set up an online store and you've been able to launch a product, and you can share the link on Facebook, generate a QR code, make them available to your customers, and they can buy from you. And this is powerful. Okay, and here you could also pay with card. So if a customer doesn't want to pay with mobile money, he or she can pay with card, and they can remember the card for next time, so they don't have to be prompted to enter the card details every time. Or you could pay with Butter. Butter is one of the products from Flutterwave. You could actually load your Butter account, and then you can use that for your payments. And that is wonderful. That is wonderful. In a very short time, you can set up a complete online store, and you can have all the power to manage your store. Isn't that awesome? Okay, that is really awesome, and that is what we have for you today. If you want to learn more about e-commerce, online sales, email, and so on and so forth, you could actually enroll on a digital marketing course. We'll be running that very soon. You can contact us. As Gifty said, she gave the numbers. We are going to make the numbers available on the chat session through our Facebook page or YouTube. You can get those numbers, call, and then we are going to get in touch with you, and you can enroll to get small. If you want to learn more about this, our numbers also will be available. If we get more people demanding for a full course on the online store, we would actually create a masterclass on it. Okay, we'll create a masterclass and then hold your hands to set up an online store with all the functionalities and all the features. So thank you very much for coming. It's been a pleasant moment with you. I hope you've learned a lot. You can generate payment links, you can create products, online products, and sell them, and that is so amazing. That is so amazing. Thank you very much for joining us. I believe you'll join us the next time, as you're getting incredibly awesome content from this webinar. Thank you so much. Do have a pleasant day.
Hello there. We at Jackson Educational Complex want to give you the opportunity to experience world-class education with us. Are you looking to rub shoulders with the best in the business industry? Then the British accredited IIE Bachelor of Business Administration and IIE Bachelor of Business Administration with marketing option offered at Jackson Institute of Innovation and Leadership is the springboard to get you there. In a fast-paced world ruled by ICT, Jackson Institute of Technology, in partnership with NIIT India, is offering you the chance to be up to speed with the ever-changing world. With our beginners, intermediate, and advanced classes in web development, cybersecurity, and the like, we are sure to acquire world-class skills for the 21st century job. Jackson College of Education, with learning centers in 13 out of the 16 regions of Ghana, gives you the chance to work and get excellent teaching skills at the same time with our distance learning module. We run degree and diploma programs, as well as top up for those already having their diplomas. You are entreated to enroll now, as admissions into any of our programs is currently open. You can call us on 0557 123 409 or 0201 260 290 for further inquiries, or you can visit any of our websites www.jit.edu.gh or www.jil.edu.gh and www.jackson.edu.gh to learn more. Jackson, hope for a brighter future.
Hello once again. And all too soon, we've come to the end of today's webinar. I hope you've learned a lot. I hope you'll be able to set up your own online store henceforth, learn how to sell your product, your services, how to get more people to purchase whatever it is that you sell online. And like I said earlier, JIT, Jackson Institute of Technology, we have a lot of IT courses that you can actually enroll. We have courses like software engineering, we have cyber security, we have data analytics, we have digital marketing. We have quite a number of courses that you can actually enroll. And so I will entreat you to go to our website, that's www.jit.edu.gh. Register and enroll in any of our courses, and I know that you will learn a lot. Thank you so much for making time to join us, and we hope to see you in our next session. Have a very good afternoon.